In 2022, at the height of the metaverse trend, Microsoft offered $69 billion to acquire Activision Blizzard. This deal aimed to boost Microsoft's gaming industry presence and solidify its cloud gaming leadership. With popular game titles like Call of Duty and Overwatch, as well as studios like Treyarch, Microsoft positioned itself as a dominant player in gaming. Additionally, the acquisition would give Microsoft a significant presence in esports. The deal also seemed appealing due to Activision Blizzard's internal issues, including CEO Bobby Kotick's SEC investigation. Sony expressed concerns about the fate of Activision's IPs on PlayStation, opposing the acquisition.